Hi, so welcome back to my channel, and I will be showing you how to make slime. So all you need is borax and Elmer's glue, lotion, a spoon, a bottle, and food coloring. Like I'm using like a fire color, um, like a greenish like lettuce or something, and turquoise and fire and and lotion and hand sanitizer. So let's get started. So first you will need to have a bowl, and now you will put the glue in there. So I'm trying to use up all this glue because I don't have much. Let me put it close up to the camera. So now I'm gonna close up my glue bottle. And now I'm not gonna use the borax right now. I'm going to wait and put it in there. So now I'm gonna put the lotion. So yeah, I put my lotion in here so my brother won't touch it. So I'm probably gonna like use a lot of lotion. So now I'm gonna use this Victoria's Secret pure situation red. Just it's like a pinkish color. And now I'm gonna use the same two bottles, but it's just a purple. It's like a purple and an orange one kind. And last but not least, I'm gonna use the another lotion, and it's the Fresh Sparkling Snow from Bath and Body Works. And so now I'm gonna put my hand sanitizer in here, and um this is from Bath and Body Works as well, and it's the Japanese Cherry Blossom. And one more hand sanitizer. I'm gonna use the Champagne Sparkle to make it sparkly. So now we can mix this up. So now it's like a little whitish, and it's like a peach color a little bit and slash pink. So let's keep on mixing it, and now I will be right back to get some water. So I'm back with the water, and now just pour a little bit of the water for now. Sorry guys, I had to see if my mom was outside. So now it's like watery. It's like gonna be watery when I put the borax in there. Oh, and I'm sorry for the light. The light. But I'm trying to like use the TV as the light and stuff, and like I'm trying to use this light that I'm using right now, like up on my ceiling. And so like I'm mixing it up now. But sorry guys, I'm probably gonna use more light when I do my other video. So now I'm put some more water. Be right back, guys. Sorry guys, I had to go see who was at the phone. And so now I'm going to put the borax in there. And so here's my borax. I put it in the Elmer's glue bottle. But if you want to know where the borax, where you can get borax, you can get it from Amazon, eBay, and you can get it from Claire's in the mall. So all you have to do is just like pour a little bit on your borax. And you will see how it's getting like sticky right now. Let me show you guys. So you see how it's already getting sticky. Let me put some more borax. Oh, and down below, I'm probably going to be putting my friends' YouTube channels down there. So the first one is Marissa Armour. The second one, Jalea Bridges. And the last one is Raven Baker. So I hope you guys go down there in my subscription and subscribe to my friends, Raven, Marissa, and Jalea. And I hope y'all subscribe to my channel to see if I can get more people on my channel. And I will probably might give a giveaway. It's like an art little picture. I might show you on my next video, but I'm probably gonna make it tomorrow. So yeah, let's get finished with our glue. Our slime. So it's like sticky. So we're gonna put some more Elmer's glue. And I wish you guys were like at my house right now because it smells so freaking good. After we put like the lotion and the hand sanitizer in there. And so if you want to know where I got my my lotion from and my Elmer's glue, so I got in my borax. I got my borax from Claire's, my Elmer's glue from Walmart or Amazon. My 3 lotions from Victoria's Secret, and my other 2 lotions from Bath and Body Works, like this one and this one. So it's like sticky now. But I'm probably gonna put some more borax in there. Put a little bit more of the borax. Oh, guys, I forgot to mention the other people. Can you please go subscribe to CJ So Cool, the Ace family, and Damien and Bianca, and the last but not least, Alex Wasabi and Lori DIY. So please go follow them. They are my best friends. I love them so much. I love watching their videos. So yeah. So now we'll be putting like our our dye, our color dye in there. So let's get started. So I'm putting 2 drops of each color in there. So don't forget what I told you to use. I use the fire color, the fire yellow. Let me show you guys. I use the greenish, the lettuce green, turquoise, and the fire ink red. So now I'm finna mix it up. So now I'm finished making my slime, and now I can take it out and play with it. So I sell like my slime at school, and like I get good money. So if you like in like my grade, so I'm in like me and my friends and stuff, we are in 10th grade right now, and we make slime and sell it, and people give us money. So if you like in our grades and stuff, can you please sell slime? And if you have, like, comment down below if you ever sell slime and got money for it. So now I'm finished with the color. It's still like whitish, so I have to put some more color in there. Your sister just shot in the snow. I can see that coming. Actually, I can't. Rachel might be cold, but I'm colder. Stay tuned. So it's taking a long time to get the color dye out. So if you want to know where I got my dye from, you can go to Walmart and get it. Oh, and y'all see on the TV that I'm watching Girl Meets World, and it's like the final season, cause they're saying that Riley will be leaving and stuff, but I think she won't and stuff. So yeah, go watch them, the Girl Meets World. So now I'm mixing up my slime. So now I'm like using with my hands now. So now I'm gonna like get fingernail polish and color it a little bit. So now I'm finished with the fingernail polish. So now all I have to do is like mix it up with my hands. So now, y'all see, it smells really good. Let me step back right quick. So, comment down below if you ever made slime and you sold it at school. And down below, I will have my subscribe down there in my description. And I hope y'all subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys. Come back to my Glitterbox channel. Bye.